ano ba yung narating ko. So, nakagraduate ako ng college in a private school without paying any tuition.
Yung mga katulad kong less privileged is nabigyan ng chance na magkaroon ng pagbabago sa buhay. And ma-reach yung gusto kong profession, which is an engineer.
Nabigyan ako ng opportunity as an engineer na makapagtrabaho sa SM at makatulong sa SM Foundation na magtayo ng kanilang mga school buildings.
Most memorable ko sa SM Foundation, of course, yung mga namin, team building, part-time jobs namin, parang realization kung paano magtrabaho.
When you are an SM scholar, it develops the totality, pangkalahatan. That's why here we are today, here I am today. Kayang-kayang humarap sa hamon ng buhay.
Ang favorite kong employee, of course, ng SM Foundation is si Miss Lynn Langsang. Kasi every time na manghihingi kami ng certificate, siya yung laging humaharap sa amin. And alam mo yun, every time na iaabot niya yung certificate sa amin, merong words of encouragement, motivation na, pagpatuloy lang natin the following term. Tapos hanggang sa hindi mo alam, graduate ka na pala.
We are proud to be an SM Scholar. Hey!
To all our SM Scholar alumni, it's very nice to see all of you today. We are very proud of you. Congratulations on all your achievements. Welcome back to SM.
I've been stuck in motion, moving too fast, trying to catch a moment, but it slips through my hands. All I see are...
Now I'm currently working at SM to give back yung gratitude sa assistance sa akin ng SM Foundation.
Dahil nga sa tulong ng SM, ako ay currently working as a website designer.
I'm coming home tonight, meet me in the valley where the kids collide.
This homecoming is a chance for you, the alumni, to reconnect, reflect on the paths you have traveled to become leaders and change makers. Know that your stories are a testament to the power of education and the spirit of resilience to bring you to where you are now.
From being an SM scholar to being an SM employee, SM Foundation represents.
Don't wanna spend my whole
If you offer
life.
yourself to people who needs guidance, konting tulong lang. Hindi naman lahat ng tulong material eh. Minsan it's time. Minsan it's attention. And minsan it's love. Show them that you care for them.
Skyline to let you know you're almost home. So breathe in and hold tight.
Kung ano man ang marating mo in the future, huwag mong kakalimutan yung mga tao, mga institution na nakatulong sa iyo para marating mo kung ano man yung pangarap mo.
Sa mga SM Scholars na patuloy na inaabot yung mga pangarap nila, ang masasabi ko lang, gawin mo lang yung best mo. Ang estudyante, ang trabaho lang, mag-aral lang na mabuti. Kasi darating yung time, ikaw na yung nagsasalita sa harap ng camera ko.
Sa inyo, mga SM scholars or currently SM scholars ngayon, pangalagaan nyo. Because this is already a chance. Huwag nyo na po siyang sayangin.
Sa mga bagong SM Scholar, magpatuloy kayo at magsikap upang makatapos din kayo at maabot din yung mga pangarap ninyo. At malay nyo, dito nyo rin makita, matagpuan ang magiging asawa ninyo.
Sa mga new scholars dyan, pagigihan nyo lang ang pag-aaral. Kita nyo naman ako, nakagraduate na, batch 2024. Ika nga ng SM, we got it all for you.
I would like to welcome the other members of the family who are constantly working to make what we do in SM Foundation possible, and that is spreading social good.
My town is coming alive. Yes, I'm
Congratulations to an SM Scholar, and we wish you continued success in the future. And thank you.